In 2022, the best dash cameras are packed with safety features like a parking monitor, G-sensor, even a loop recording. So yes, they are packed with features. So which one should you buy? Welcome to Better Choice, where we help you to make a better choice. And today, we are helping you to pick a great dash cam for you. Now, dash cam is not something that everyone is familiar with, but it is something that everyone should have. On number 5, we have Garmin Dash Cam 65. Garmin makes one of the best dash cameras in the business. The Garmin Dash Cam 65 standalone driving recorder is one of those products designed to last and withstand the rigors of nature and be used in the most demanding environments. The system is ready for use directly outside the box. It has an auto on and off button that ensures the camera starts recording as soon as you turn on the ignition and turns it off when you turn off the ignition. So now you won't have to be worried about turning it off or on every time. One less thing to be worried about. The built-in battery lasts about 1 hour. It has all the features you can expect from a high-end car camera system. 1080p Full HD shooting, a gravity sensor that captures sudden changes in camera gravity, and has a secure mode that automatically locks video when a sudden gravity change is heard. This locking mechanism ensures that the camera does not accidentally record images that may be needed if you refute a false claim or defend yourself in a court of law. It is one of the best ways to secure yourself from false accusation, as they go a lot these days. It is currently going for $174.99, just a small amount you have to pay for effortless safety. On number 4, we have Rovio R24K Dash Cam. Rovio R24K Dash Cam is an integrated dash camera, affordable and easy to install. It can be helpful in dealing with immoral drivers and cunning men who try to rob you by making accidents or mistakes. A wide-angle lens that locks up to 150 degrees so you can easily capture all the details around your car. It also has a 2.4-inch built-in display, which will come in handy in case you have to prove a point or something. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and GPS system that can track every moment. It is going for just $101.99, which is a pretty odd price, but who am to say anything? On number 3, we have Venture N2 Pro. The Venture N2 Pro is one of the most complete designs on the market. This is not the cheapest option, but the features and benefits they bring will pay off for themselves in the years to come. The distinguishing feature of the N2 Pro is the wide-angle lens. With a 170-degree wide angle, it closes the whole view with the front windshield from left A-pillar to A-pillar right. It can also record a cabinet with a 140-degree view, so you can use it to experience having more than 2 eyes. How well does it feel to know it all, right? And that's not even the best part. It also comes with infrared vision. Personally, saying this is the feature that attracts me the most towards this cam. And it is also really stylish. It is currently going for just $169.99. On number 2, we have Ricksen V1 Pro. Wi-Fi-enabled Ricksen V1 Pro dual dash cam records 1080p videos in full high definition at 30 frames per second and has practical car tracking capability. The lens comes with a 170-degree wide-angle viewer for both front and rear cameras. It promises to capture everything from one A-pillar to another, giving you the unrestricted recording of every windshield view. You also get GPS tagging functionality, which is, of course, built in. When you use Google Maps, this feature gives you speed, location, timestamp, and other details that can be used in court proceedings. We just hope you don't have to face one. If you think about it, then it can come in handy if your car gets stolen or something. It is going for just $199.99. Sometimes I wonder why not just take $200 and $199.99. But then I know in my heart that it is a marketing strategy. That is not the point. I have no idea why I started on that. So which product is the best out of the best? On number 1, we have 70mai A500S Pro Plus. The 70mai A500S Pro Plus is a low-end dash camera that combines the basics. It seems reliable, and the video quality is good for the price. One channel version that only has a front camera is available for this camera. If you want essential dash cam protection at a low cost, the A500S is a good choice, and it's nothing like settling for less. You have all the features that are necessary. You won't have to compromise on anything. It has a 2.7K Ultra Full HD, built-in Wi-Fi GPS smart dash camera for cars, 2 inches IPS LCD screen, 140-degree wide-angle FOV, and night vision. The one-channel variant is going for $79.99, and the two-channel variant is going for $99.99. You can buy whichever you like the most. And as you know, the link for all these products will be in the description, so you can quickly check them out. This was all for today. Now you guys tell us in the comments which one of these products impressed you the most. Please like and share, as it will motivate us to create more videos like this. Subscribe to the channel if you want to make better choices in life. Until next time, bye-bye.